Good evening, Purchase School and Preston Schools. My name is Deborah Goldstein, and I am your library media specialist. Tonight, I'm going to share with you some information about our program in the library. 2020-21, this school year is going to be very different, as we all know, but it's going to be better than ever. I'm in a new school. We have a new schedule. There's new access to books, and there's new technology. I will go through all of this year, tonight. So who am I? This is my 23rd year of Purchase. It is also my first year at Preston School. I'm splitting my time this year between Purchase and Preston. 3 of the days of the cycle, I'll be at Preston. 3 of the days of the cycle, I will be at Purchase. This way, I'm able to see all of your children. I have 3 children myself. I have Benjamin, who is 19, Samantha, who is 17 and a senior in high school, and Zachary, who is 11 and just started 6th grade. I'm also Miss Mastrantoni's close friend. So Miss Mastrantoni, although she's no longer the library media specialist at Preston, we are in close contact with each other. Book access. This year, book access will definitely look very different. There will not be any book checkout yet. We're hoping later in the year to be able to give kids the books and options to come into our library and pick out books. For now, we're going to have virtual ebooks. This week, your children, this cycle, I should say, your children will learn about the virtual ebooks that we have in our library. They will have options to go through Follett, Junior Library Guild, otherwise known as JLG, and Tumble Books. The resources they'll be able to access, as well as our library resources, including our ebooks, will all be found on ClassLink. Each of your children should already be signed into ClassLink using their Google email address. And once they do that, they will have access without signing in to any of our resources that we provide. Seesaw, Google Drive, Google Classroom, and even, like I said, all of the ebooks and library resources. Again, when your children have a struggle, remember to have them keep calm and click undo. Moving on to digital citizenship. This year, our 1st through 5th graders will participate in digital citizenship. Our 1st graders, I will use our Monday lessons in order to do that with them. And the 2nd through 5th graders, they will be part throughout the year of our asynchronous lessons. We use the platform of Common Sense Media for most of our lessons. Please check out that site as well for more information. How can you help? Well, first thing is make sure your child is ready for school and for class each day. If your child is in school on those days, please make sure that their devices have been charged the night before. If your child is at home, please help your child set a timer to join the Zoom on time. And lastly, our asynchronous library class work will only be done on the assigned day of the cycle. So if your child has library on B day, and when they are home on that B day, that is when they should be doing the assigned library work. They should not be doing it on any other day of the cycle or on the day that they're in school for library. Please contact me at any time at goldsteind@harrisoncsd.org. And of course, I can't wait to have a fabulous year with your children. Looking forward to hearing from you through email. Have a wonderful evening.